Hey, what's up? What is going on? Today I'm going to show you the absolute best free drum VSTs I've ever come across. It is, of course, from the fantastic people over at Bogren Digital. I've been absolutely falling in love with their products lately. I'm absolutely not affiliated with them at all, but if you go to Bogren Digital, you can see they got some sweet, awesome stuff going on, like Black November, 50% off. Freaking sweet. Go and check out Bogren Digital because the drums you're about to hear are free from them, but there is a paid version that unlocks their full potential. They will give you an album-ready sound. You don't need to mix your drums if you're using this plugin. That is the truth. It is wild. Let me show you. Let's hear what Logic and GarageBand and Apple have to offer us in terms of their drum sounds. Okay, so as you can hear, it's not bad. You can hear everything pretty clearly, but it's not great either. There's definitely a lot more processing that this would need in order to actually sound listenable on a released track. Now, let's listen to the Krimh Drums. Way better. Way better. Am I right? Brighter. Isn't that such a crazy difference between the GarageBand and the Krimh Drums? I'm going to say it a million times. This is a free plugin. Yeah, full played version, whatever. But this is the free version. I didn't pay for the full version yet. Holy crap. Let's, That sounds incredible compared to... Now, yeah, there's different mixing, right? Like the panning is kind of like flipped on one versus the other. And you can flip that. You can change the panning if you wanted to. That's like more preferential. That's subjective. But the sound is so much more carved and ready to be put into a mix, a ready mix. Like this is such a boon for songwriters. You can just get this amazing sounding drum sample for free and have basically mix ready sounds that you can play with during your songwriting phase. And by the time you actually get to your mixing phase, if you want to do a full mix with the full versions, you can really just get in there and mix it like you would a regular drum set and have all the control that you might want. But if you are like me and you don't want to sit there and tinker, you don't want to sit there and just be an engineer necessarily, you just want to have great sounding instruments right off the gate, great sounding enough that I would be fine just like releasing with the drum sound. Like that sounds fantastic. I'm pretty astounded by how good it sounds. One more time, let's listen to it. Let's hear these in solo. From a objective standpoint, the Krimh just sound better. The sonic quality is simply superior. They both come with their own reverb, and that's a big thing. If you're mixing something, you want to make sure that all of your instruments sound like they're in the same room. So you might have to, if you're going to use this, you might have to create a reverb bus and send just a little bit of this track here into it. In the full version, you can just take away the reverb and use your own reverb sound. Golden. But if you want to use the free version, and I honestly even like the free version because all these decisions are made for me, I don't even need to do it. Ultimately, this is just absurd quality to have at your fingertips for free. Now, over here, you can see the Krimh Drums right? Comes in contact like this. Just look at this. Free version. It's great. It shows you exactly where everything is on the keyboard down here, like hittable like this, right? You can check out all these. And you can see in the paid version, they have more options for the drums themselves and more drums to use in there. I just realized I'm not here. Hold on. Pop! I'll make myself a little bit smaller. Perfect. So you can see, and the sound, the fidelity is really, really great. Now you can see over here, the mixer, you got to get the full version for that. You got to get the full version for that. This anti-machine gun stuff, you do actually have the auto double click. This is great. These are fantastic samples for hard rock, metal. Honestly, in my opinion, these are just great drum sounds. They're going to sound great in a multitude of different genres, but particularly they are targeted towards metal musicians. Guitarists, this is for you, really. This is for guitarists. If you look at all the other products that you have here at Bogren Digital, going back here to Bogren Digital, you can see in their product catalog, you have guitar, some drums, IR samples, really mostly a guitar bass. They have their famous IRDX core technology. You put it after other amp sim plugins, and it apparently makes them sound way better. Amazing. They come up with a product that make other people's products sound better. Incredible. What business philosophy. I'm literally not being sarcastic. It's amazing. We have all of these different options that you have if you get the full version, which is paid. I think right now it's only like 50 or 60 bucks. It's normally like 120. You do have some grooves though. So you have some grooves over here that you can utilize. These are really geared towards extreme metal, progressive metal, really like the metal peeps. You can make these all half speed, regular speed, double speed. And if you jump here, this is where things are really cool. You can take this mapping preset and change the actual map dependent on whatever drum sample you might be coming from previously. So for example, I was coming from Superior Drummer 2, not 3, but I was just using actually the Easy Drummer 2 because they're both tune tracks, so they're more or less the same mapping. And it was great. You have the Krimh, you have the regular Krimh. This is their in-house mapping. Then they also have the Get Good drums. They have Modern Mass. They have the Halpern and Invasion versions of the Get Good drums, Superior Drummer, General. Like, this is fantastic. This is so nice. And remember, this is still free. You get this for free. Take your old samples that you put in, take your old drum parts, just slide it into here, change the mapping preset, and it's going to sound great. Like, it's ridiculous. It's actually kind of ridiculous. You can also change the velocities here. No, you can't. This is only for the full version. Oopsie. And these are all processed already, right? Like, you can just mix around this in a very real way, and it sounds fantastic. Obviously, you don't have the kind of customization that you would want in order to, say, make just the snare louder, make the kick louder, get the overheads a little bit less bright, little things like that, or bring a little bit more air into them. You can't do that here. It's all done for you by the team at Bogren Digital. So on one hand, if you like to tinker, this is not for you. But if you just want things to sound great and work right out of the gate, and even just like say like, okay, cool, I'm just going to even release it with this, do it. Get this. It's great. It's free. There's literally nothing to lose. Remember when I was like, oh no, there's only these grooves. There's only this one little tiny pack. What are we to do? Here's the beautiful thing about Logic. I just copied the track, and I'm going to right-click and select Create Session Player Region. This is a big deal. We're going to keep this soloed. Now, we can use the Krimh drums mapped correctly, hopefully, and use these sounds with the session player. So you can still use session players and the virtual drummer that comes with them utilizing these other drum sounds. You get the best of both worlds, which is kind of amazing. It makes creating drum tracks and performances feel a lot more natural, as well as ultimately being able to have the full control that you would want later, because all you need to do is turn it into a MIDI region just like that. And now you have the MIDI region. You can jump in here and you can say, oh, actually, maybe I want on the 5th beat here, maybe I want a cymbal hit, right? That isn't there right now. Right? Just right there. Or not, I guess. There it is. So you really do have the best of both worlds here, and that's kind of amazing. There's no better a time to be a bedroom musician than today, because you literally can get all of these album-ready, mix-ready sounds for very, very affordable prices. Guitarists, like, this is your ace in the hole. You can have phenomenal drum sounds, and at lower velocities too. Like, the processing works for different genres also. It's pretty incredible. Go and pick this up. Go and pick up Krimh Drums. This is the best sounding drum samples that you will be able to get for free, especially for rock, punk, and metal. The truth is that Apple kind of does metalheads dirty. They don't really give us good sounds, like the crunchy sounds and the distorted sounds in Amp Designer are not fantastic. Famously not fantastic. I have a whole video about that. But Krimh Drums here and Bogren Digital, and I know I forget who the Krimh Drums is based off of. I know it's his name, but I forget the other guy. I forget the band he's in. Is it Opeth? Someone tell me the band that he's in. I can't remember. However, these drums sound amazing right off the gate, and you don't even need to mix them. You can just get everything else to sound great around them. Mix everything else. If you're using other Bogren Digital amp sims, they're probably going to already sound great in them. I was just using the Trivium amp sims that you just heard as the guitar parts. So yeah, sounded great. Very little to do. It's really about doing the overall glue and overall, preparing for distribution, mastering kind of stuff. That's really where the work is when you have plugins that sound so good out of the gate like this. So much of the work is being done for us, and that is what makes me happy. So go ahead and get these free freaking plugins. And if you love them so much, you want more control over the sounds and to truly mix it the way that you would want, especially if you're trying to match a reference track, go get the full ones. Like max $120. I would pay $120 just for the free edition. That's how good it sounds. That's just me. That's all I have for you today. If you want to get absurdly better at your craft, at songwriting, at playing guitar, at writing for guitar, at composing music, at all the things, check out my free training, How to Master Any Guitar Riff and Play at the Level of Your Favorite Artist. I'll let you in on a few awesome, incredibly powerful secrets that are going to absolutely blow your world wide open, and I'm looking forward to seeing you there. So you can check that out. Link is in the doobly-doo. Thanks so much for being here. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'm Avi. I don't know what this hand is doing. DFTBA.